Hey beauts, it's Lisshaaleah Beauty here, and today we're going for a holiday treat with MAC Cosmetics holiday collection. Let's go. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to check out the Best of Lisshaaleah Beauty playlist so you can get caught up on any old videos that you missed. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new videos that I post. Alright, now let's get into this holiday collection. Now, let's get into the goods. So, of course, as soon as it dropped, I had to wait a bit because I had some videos to post. But I tried to get as much as I could that wasn't sold out. So, let's look at the MAC collection holiday. So, right now, the MAC collection includes an extra dimension skin finish powder, which is like a highlighter. We got the PowerPoint eye pencil dual crayon. Then we got some lip gloss in Snow in Love. Now we got this amplified cream lipstick in Out with a Bang. Okay, and last but not least, the Rocket to Fame eyeshadow palette has 12 shades, mixture of, it looks like shimmers and mattes. Guys, let's talk about the packaging now. When we're looking at the packaging, they totally went for the full Christmas look, okay? Like the glitter, the glam, the glitz, I love it. And they all match. I know that's a usual, but like, come on guys, look how cute they look. The packaging is pink. It is 3D, so you could feel like the bumps of where the glitter splash was, and it goes all the way around like something literally like the holiday fell on it. Now let's open up this extra dimension skin finish highlighter, and there are two kinds of highlighters. One is a more like silvery white look. This is a more golder bronze look. Look at that definition design. Like, I don't even want to swatch it for you guys to ruin it because it's just so pretty, but I'll do like a little bit. Oh, look at that pigmentation, and I didn't even ruin anything. Look at that. Oh baby, yes. Okay, let's move along because I am going to do a tutorial using all these looks. So let's get to the other goodies. Now I'm literally opening up the lip pencil now. And, oh, like it's just so pretty. Like even look at the lip pencil. Like everything feels like together, organized. Now there are 3 of the lip pencils in different colors. It just depends what colors you want as dual. I chose the almost silvery white and like a chestnut brown because those are colors that I didn't already have. And you could see there the colors. Like, how beautiful is that? I have like an obsession about keeping my makeup like looking very the same. So even just swatching cringes my soul because I'm like wasting it on my hand, not even on my face. So like, forgive me. Okay, let's move along. Let's do the lip gloss in Snow in Love. These names though, boo-boo. These come in, I believe, 5 colors. I do have another lip gloss somewhere here. I do have this lip gloss, just a regular, not a holiday collection, which I really enjoy adding on top of my lipstick for a little bit more flair, like wet flair, especially if it's matte. So I'm really feeling this color again with the packaging. You know, the glass, the regular lip glass packaging, and oh my god. I just put a little bit on. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't make you jingle wingle, want to sing a carol. Come on. Like Christmas time, boo-boo. Like do a ruby look. Girl, I'm all for this. There's obviously lots of other colors that match the collection and like match even some of these colors, which we will get to. Okay, so let's go in with the, almost like broke it, taking it out with the lipstick and like packaging, guys. Let's get to this. To die for. I know I already seen these, but to die for this color. Let's try it out. Oh, come on. And it goes so perfect. Didn't I tell you? Like, I set this up perfectly. So like lipstick and a little bit of shimmer. Girl, wait till we get through this look. Okay, so last but not least, the palette. Now keep in mind, there are other things that I didn't receive. There is like a palette with like a highlighter and 2 eyeshadows, 2 different kinds that were sold out. There were single, still are, single eyeshadow, you know, palettes, which I don't really like single eyeshadows because I don't really have a lot of space for them. I enjoy palettes more rather than the single, so I wasn't really interested in getting any of those, but they're still available. And also a brush set. So the brush set is mini. Like, I want full brushes, guys. I don't want mini. Even if it's just for the collection, doesn't mean I'm just gonna buy it because it's in a collection. I actually want to use this stuff. So let's get to the palette. Guys, I wish I could have you like with me to touch this palette. Everything else was like hard, like, you know, glass almost. This palette is like, I know it looks hard and stuff, but it's like a material. Like, even hear it. It's so soft compared to the other stuff. It's like this fabric that has like print on it. Like, even just looking, I haven't even took the plastic off of the, it just looks too cute. Ta-da! Obviously carrying the theme, the splash. Look at these colors though. So rich, so beautiful. We have the top layer is shimmer and the bottom layer is matte. These 3 colors here. And which I prefer my browns and my nudes matte anyways. And like a splash of color to be that foil silver. These ones look like shimmers. Well, these ones just look like more of like a sparkly like color, like a less than a foil. These palettes are where it's at, and I'm just really excited to dip into it and do a glam look. Now I got my eyebrows done, I got my foundation on. If you want to know where to do my eyebrows, if you want to know where to do my foundation and what foundation I use, hit up Lisshaaleah's Beauties Best of playlist or eyebrows playlist. I have it all to get what you need. Now I gotta do my concealer eye base and tie up this hair with my scrunchie. It's the red. It's the red for me. And get into this holiday look with my swatches. Let's go, guys. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go in with that brown. And let's see how this whole look turns out. Of course, I'll put up what I'm using, the colors, the shades, all the goods, and a little bit of preview of some glitz and glam of this collection. So let's do it.